Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to close Google Forms responses. This is incredibly useful when you've collected all the data you need from a survey or registration form and want to prevent any additional submissions from coming through. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that's associated with the form you want to manage, as forms are tied to specific Google accounts. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms are organized and stored. Look for the section labeled Recent Forms, which displays the forms you've worked on most recently. Browse through this list and click on the form for which you want to close responses. This will open the form in editing mode, giving you access to all its settings and configurations. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Publish. Click on this button to access the form's publishing and response settings. This section controls how your form behaves in terms of collecting and managing submissions. Within the Publish settings, you'll see an option called Accepting Responses. This toggle controls whether new responses can be submitted to your form. By default, when a form is published, this toggle is turned on, meaning anyone with the link can fill it out and submit their answers. To close the form to new responses, simply toggle this option off. Once you do this, the form will stop accepting any new submissions immediately. When someone tries to access your form after you've turned off responses, they'll see a message indicating that the form is no longer accepting responses. This gives your respondents clear feedback that the submission window has closed. The great thing about this feature is that it's completely reversible. If you need to reopen the form later, you can simply return to these same settings and toggle the Accepting Responses option back on. And that's it. You've successfully closed your Google Forms to new responses while keeping all your existing data intact and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.